So I'm using a blue can of Gunk engine cleaner. You could also use a general degreaser, but I like the foaming action of this one. I'd usually hit the underside of the hood as well, but this one was already perfectly clean from a previous detail. The spray cleaner is easy to use and it foams up nicely, which gives you some visual feedback of where you've sprayed, and it allows it to cling on to vertical surfaces a little more. Notice how I'm using multiple angles to get all the sides of the engine parts. It's going to start breaking down all that dirt and oil and grime. It smells horrible, so you know it's going to be a great cleaner. You want to wipe off any overspray from the paint, headlights, and windshield, so here's me doing that. Here I'm grabbing a variety of brushes to get a little agitation going after it sits. The instructions will say you can just spray on and rinse off, but you'll get a much better result if you give it a little physical agitation to help things along. Going in with the brushes. I've got a few different sizes to get down in all the nooks and crannies that you won't be able to reach with just a rag. Have fun with it. It's pretty hard to screw anything up here, but also be gentle so you don't knock any connectors loose. Now for the rinse. Don't use a pressure washer for this and try to hold the hose at least about 2 feet away. You don't want to be hitting any part of the engine with a high pressure stream of water. Here's the end result. I think it turned out great. Let me know what you think in the comments.